I have an LG French door refrigerator. The ice is melting in the door and dripping out, yet the refrigerator and freezer are maintaining proper temperatures. What could be the problem?
Thank you for using JustAnswer. I will be glad to assist you in your answer. Think about safety when doing repairs: electric, water, gas, etc. Please look in the fridge, and give me the model #XXXXX the data sticker so I can assist your question. Thank you.
LMX25981XT.
Okay, thank you. Please open the left fridge door, hold the light switch button closed with one hand, while feeling for airflow from the vents on the left side wall. One vent feeds air to the icemaker area, the other is the return air duct. Please let me know if you feel airflow from one of the vents or not. The light switch has to be held down to do this, with the right fridge door still closed. In other words, simulating that all doors are closed. Thank you.
The top vent blows. The bottom one doesn't.
Okay, thank you. That is a good thing. Please open the door to the icemaker area. If my diagram is correct, there should be a big round button on your icemaker with little lit dashes above it. Please push that big button, holding it down for 10 seconds. The dashes will start to light up one at a time. Watch the icemaker to see if it cycles, and if water enters in it. Please let me know what happens. Thank you.
I did not hear water start, but the ice that was made processed and dumped into the holder.
Okay, if no water enter into the icemaker, the water valve is faulty. To access valve, pull out the fridge from the wall. Remove the big cover at the bottom on the back side of the unit. The valve is located on the right side. Turn the water supply off / unplug the unit, and replace one thing at a time from old valve to new. The part #XXXXX costs $34. You get the valve at SearsPartsDirect.com. Don't forget to turn the water supply back on after repair, check for leaks, and plug the unit back in. If you find this information helpful, please give me a great rating. Thank you.
Okay, water did fill into the icemaker. After I held the button and walked away, I discovered that there was a plastic bag covering the bottom vent on the left side of the refrigerator. Could that have interfered?
Yes, that could have done it. That vent is the only way freezer air gets to the icemaker compartment. Let the unit run for 12 hours. If it starts to make ice again, you are good to go. Save this question to your favorites area so you can respond back to it, if needed for further help. Please give me a great rating for my assistance. This will not close out your question. Just respond back if need you further help. Sounds like we might have solved this one, being all functions of the icemaker are working at this time. Thank you.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Just let me know if I can further assist your question.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.